Woodpeckers Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL use a two-piece adjustable beam with precision milled pencil guides to simplify arc and circle layout. Slide the center beam section to your desired dimension and lock it up. The outer section has both inch and metric graduations showing the diameter of the arc. The stainless steel pivot pin fits through the body with a close tolerance fit, enhancing the accuracy of the scale. The guide closest to the pivot is a direct read from the scale. The additional scribing guides increase the reach of the pocket compass. Each one indicates the diameter increase added to the scale setting. The compass lays flat on your workpiece, which makes completing your circle a simple process. Unlike a standard divider-style compass, the sharp part of the pocket compass stores safely inside the body of the tool, making it safe to carry around the shop. The pocket compass comes in two sizes. The original works from 1 inch to 7 inches, and the Pocket Compass XL draws circles from 2 inches all the way to 21 inches. They are available individually, or you can save some money by getting them as a set. For fast, accurate circle and arc layout, with a tool you won't regret dropping in your pocket, reach for Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL. Order yours today.